Breathe with me. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Psalm 46:10 says, "Be still and know that I am God." Let these words settle over your heart. Be still and know. With each breath, draw nearer to Him. You don't have to fix or figure out anything. Over the next few moments, simply be with God. Breathe out. Deep breath in and breathe out. Remember that God meets you in the silence. He whispers peace to your soul in every moment. Take one more deep breath in and breathe out slowly. Remember, His peace goes wherever you go because you are His beloved. Amen.